Best 3D printers. Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono 2. Experience next-level 3D printing with the Anycubic Photon Mono 2, engineered for hobbyists, professionals, and enthusiasts seeking precision and reliability. This resin 3D printer features a 6.6-inch 4K plus monochrome LCD screen, delivering ultra-sharp detail and faster layer curing than conventional models. Whether you're crafting miniatures, prototypes, or detailed models, the upgraded light turbo matrix ensures consistent light distribution for smooth surfaces and precise edges. Designed for larger creations, the Photon Mono 2 offers an enlarged build volume of 6.49 inches by 5.62 inches by 3.5 inches, giving you more freedom to print bigger or multiple models in one session. Its sturdy aluminum frame and durable design provide stability during printing, minimizing vibrations for exceptional accuracy. The sleek blue and black color scheme adds a modern touch to any workspace. User-friendly and efficient, this printer is compatible with a wide range of resins and comes with intuitive software support, making it easy to level the build plate, slice models, and manage print jobs. Despite its high-performance features, it maintains a compact footprint, 11.81-inch dx 11.81 wx 20.88h, and weighs only 5 kilograms, perfect for desktops or small studios. Upgrade your 3D printing experience with the Anycubic Photon Mono 2, where precision meets speed and reliability. Create intricate, high-quality prints with confidence and bring your designs to life with unmatched clarity and detail. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3SA. Take your 3D printing projects to the next level with the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus, a reliable and high-performance 3D printer designed for both beginners and experienced makers. This upgraded model features a direct dual-gear extruder, providing smooth, precise filament feeding and reducing the risk of jams, ensuring consistent, high-quality prints every time. Equipped with CR Touch auto-leveling, setup is faster and easier than ever, automatically detecting and adjusting the build plate for optimal print accuracy. Its fully metal construction adds durability and stability, while the silent motherboard ensures whisper-quiet operation, so you can print at any time without disturbing your workspace or home environment. The Ender 3v3 Plus supports a wide range of filaments and is compatible with personal computers, allowing seamless integration with popular slicing software. Despite its advanced features, this printer maintains a compact design with dimensions of 10-inch dx10 wx10h and a manageable weight of 11.5 kilograms, making it suitable for desktops, workshops, or small studios. From intricate miniatures to functional prototypes, the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus delivers precision, speed, and reliability in every print. Its modern design, robust performance, and user-friendly features make it a perfect choice for hobbyists, educators, and makers looking to explore creative possibilities without compromise. Upgrade your 3D printing experience and bring your ideas to life with exceptional detail and consistency. Number 3. Prusa MK4S. Discover the joy of 3D printing with the original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwacha's 3D printer kit, designed to combine precision, reliability, and hands-on learning. This beginner-friendly DIY kit is perfect for hobbyists, students, and makers of all skill levels, offering a fun and educational assembly experience. With clear instructions and thoughtfully designed components, assembling your Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas is straightforward, turning setup into part of the adventure. The printer features removable print sheets, making it easier than ever to remove your creations without damage. Its automatic calibration system ensures accurate, high-quality prints from the very first layer, saving time and eliminating guesswork. The kit even includes a filament sample, so you can start printing immediately after assembly. Built with a sturdy combination of metal and durable plastic, the 4 Malawian Kwachas provides long-lasting performance while maintaining a manageable weight of 10.2 kilograms. Its compact footprint of 19.6-inch dx 15.7 wx 21.6h fits easily on a desk or workspace, making it ideal for home studios, classrooms, or maker labs. With a generous print volume of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches, you can create detailed models, prototypes, and functional parts with exceptional accuracy. The original Prusa MK4S is not just a printer, it's an entry point into the exciting world of 3D design and creation. Combine precision, reliability, and hands-on learning in one complete package and bring your ideas to life with the original Prusa MK4S 3D printer kit. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. Unlock a new level of creativity with the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo 3D printer, designed to bring multicolor 3D printing into your home or workshop. This versatile printer allows you to print in up to 4 colors, enabling vibrant, professional-looking models, miniatures, and prototypes without the need for post-print painting or assembly. Its metal construction ensures durability and stability, supporting precise and consistent printing every time. With an impressive max print speed of 600 mm per second, the Kobra 3 Combo is one of the fastest printers in its class, delivering high-quality results efficiently. The ACE Pro Seal storage system keeps your filament dry and protected, ensuring optimal print performance and reducing the risk of filament issues. Designed for all skill levels, this printer provides a smooth, reliable printing experience whether you're a beginner exploring 3D printing or an experienced maker creating intricate models. The printer's generous build volume of 9.8-inch by 9.8-inch by 10.2-inch offers ample space for larger projects, while its user-friendly interface and compatibility with laptops and personal computers make setup and operation simple. Compact yet powerful, the Kobra 3 Combo measures 17.8-inch dx 19.8 wx 19h and weighs just 9.2 kilograms, fitting neatly on any desktop or workspace. Combine speed, multicolor capability, and advanced filament storage with the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo, and enjoy a seamless 3D printing experience that brings your creative ideas to life with vibrant colors, precise details, and effortless reliability. Number 5. Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro. Experience professional-grade 3D printing at home or in your workshop with the Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro, designed for speed, precision, and ease of use. Equipped with a one-click auto-printing system, this printer simplifies setup and operation, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced makers. Its Core XY all-metal structure ensures maximum stability and accuracy, delivering high-quality prints with minimal vibration or error. With a high-speed print capability of up to 600 mm per second, the Adventurer 5M Pro allows you to complete projects faster without compromising detail. The quick detachable 280°C nozzle supports a wide variety of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PTG, ASA, TPU, PC, PLAZF, and PTGCF, enabling versatile applications for prototypes, functional parts, and detailed models. The printer offers a generous 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume, giving you ample space for larger projects or multiple small models at once. Its intuitive design allows for easy filament changes, hassle-free maintenance, and smooth operation. Despite its powerful capabilities, it maintains a compact footprint of 15.75-inch dx 14.96 wx 17.83h and a manageable weight of 32.1 pounds, fitting comfortably on desktops or workbenches. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro combines speed, reliability, and versatility in a single package. Perfect for home, educational, or professional use, this 3D printer enables you to bring your creative ideas to life with exceptional precision, quality, and efficiency every time you print.